Hypothetical questions, the gateway to creative conversations. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we are going to talk about a special type of question, hypothetical questions. Specifically, we will be focusing on how to use them in creative and problem-solving scenarios. Hypothetical questions can stretch our minds and help us think outside the box. So, are you ready to push the boundaries of your English conversation skills? Let's dive in. So, what is a hypothetical question? A hypothetical question is a question that asks about what could or would happen in a particular situation that has not occurred and may never occur. These questions usually start with words like, what if, suppose, if, imagine, and are often used to explore ideas and solve problems. For example, you could ask, what would you do if you won the lottery? Now, let's talk about using hypothetical questions in creative scenarios. This can help spark interesting discussions, new ideas, and innovative solutions. Here are some examples. If you could invent one thing to make your life easier, what would it be? Imagine you are writing a novel. What would it be about? Suppose you could live in any fictional world. Where would you choose and why? These questions are perfect conversation starters, and they can really get people thinking creatively. Hypothetical questions also shine in problem-solving scenarios. They allow us to explore potential solutions and test them out in our minds before applying them in reality. Here are some examples. What if we changed the marketing strategy? How do you think our customers would react? Suppose the budget for the project gets cut by 50%. How could we still achieve our goals? Imagine the deadline is moved up. What steps should we take to meet it? These types of questions force us to think critically and plan for various possibilities, which is an essential skill in problem solving. Now that you've seen some examples, it's your turn to create your own hypothetical questions. Remember, they often start with words like, if, suppose, what if, and imagine. Then, add a hypothetical situation, followed by a question about that situation. Here's a template. If, suppose, what if, imagine, hypothetical situation, question about the situation. Take some time to create a few of your own hypothetical questions. You might surprise yourself with how creative you can be. That's it for today's session on hypothetical questions in creative and problem-solving scenarios. Remember, these types of questions not only make your conversations more interesting but also help you build your problem-solving and creative thinking skills. So, start incorporating hypothetical questions into your English conversations and see where they lead you. We hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.